Hello guys, so how to fix Instagram story effects problem. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the Instagram here, and as you can see now you have to click on force stop and go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on data usage and make sure that the roaming data is disabled, and then go back, click on the storage and click on clear data, clear cache. And now you have to reopen Instagram and check if the problem is solved. If the problem is not solved yet, then you have one last chance, which is go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and click on update. And after you update it, that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.